Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Mimi obi biara who follow Supreme Court case. Na ode adwempa na why wadin so kutu sua de. If so obi bi so a na tete wo mra kwan so no. A onim say na court na hihye the way a court etwen and me aba court yi de tuma no. Obeti rule na say na obi sua nye bebe timu. Ade ba kwa me hu e wo Ghana ne say ababo bebre court procedure in here and the court rules and the regulatory court in here and the mrano so you too technical in the my international just because your memuna yakasa your traditional system of yedi boasem ahifie ka ahifie di asem na simple and man say ya frɛ what my day na ya frɛ obi a ho bibi na wa so old na obi aka na asem omo no kan hwe kan no ye wo rules and regulations ba ye dia mamre ba we die ya trashi na ya kofa abrofo system of adjudicating ya abrofo british phone na mo bae no betwe ni yen e bedu te bi kwa probo se sa ko be lawyer je so completely as how betwa ye lawyer and then ya badu ko kuma for the brain wo Ghana law school omo rules omo regulations omo doctrine omo adwin eto bia ko mo tia it is a common society case for Canada but Canada for no British for the two no it will be no society case for King's Court British for High Court it is the abrofo no tete and no one tia and it Ghana afa ya importu and the as mo ko it do one adwin no amu no say anakoto kra de no ye we dey go be jira okeka no kasa so kasa say no ye the rules ye abobro twani say o kan say obi e ye konwa wo kasa no wo no dey asem ato so wo na wo esa wo kompleko fa won dance here ye mu say di pa no kasa o konfo di pa no dey asem ato so no ye abobro pete say ono he has the right to remain silent and the long life na me ano wo kota men fa wajin ko si o opponent so say o politician on ke brofo o musika chelo I wo de chelo o de because chelo o kokota fa o judge ko se obutu say na I we for say azuma se chire yen azuma se ko a world box champion yana o ko Ghana o ko no abrochi o se obi ma so into okwa on the knockout no and the judge into koduwa o no ku king and fa on the judge no much no who is leading the point ye but there it is okokota why would them kokota and to people can make sure political because see opponent is there so better now opponent is there to afflict you opponent is there not to act in your best interest if you don't go to court no way you when you fee who case so now the one you come opponent say the opponent your baby dance here no that down baby dance here now they have to so that we tell you the now we don't now we dey so you know that maybe or bad people sulia and if they see court no that two of all people they will all be alone they will want to not kill the deal make it deal and then we want that two court no now the one say you win on your own strength. Who didn't say it's a close to case? What are you talking about? Maybe that who started case now is so good the mindset of the mensa any another. Our mindset we say almost shall secure with an notice to raise criminal legal objection. Say what kind of petition on the Bible? Who didn't that to be if you can court in Boluku? That's how it started. They raise the whole family be removed as a man. We want to raise criminal legal justice. Say petition na ya file no. We should petition ya ni advance na ya tare no. Who ya say we ba kotu ka kasa. The Mungu. That was the first thing that Mao say. They have said that they rely on your own petition, but some who it has an experienced lawyer no. Now so we say they go proof say you need case. You need evidence. And then what you do? Over to me after the law and mommy is going to hear me. Na me family evidence indicate simbra so mo se beni abre but that case ano still ano That signal now the man now and then just get the court say na your man surprise. I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm not surprised. You catch them. I mean we almost catch them say there is no case for them to answer. I'm just can say that be yeah share case na say. It's some objection and modern bano. Mu ni me that to the bar. And then your mama the bar. You get to me in a board criminal legal objection totally. Say your mama yet tattoo any mama. Your mama so many days, so many hours. Na mun come and say, "Ya na mun for madam say bibi be mama say you ah minya career mama day the will be will be compared." Oh, yeah. Oh, see, so when you make a strong case, your opponent cannot have the luxury to say that I'm not a spy. Now, what man say? Now, your case is here. Now, I'm so what the case they will say. Case or the banner. So, what testify? I go to a party. Bonnie bedroom. That is what catch you say. Whom to be comparing. And then, no, already so many is Baba who say, apart. Comparing the hair will not be. And then, so say, oh, my coin. Yeah, my coin, you're open case, no. And then, almost this, and that's how they know. Only be a cool. Not only, for example, only will be too damaged. Not damaged, I wanted to know. What is your mana? It will be a walk win in the liberty of here. Yes, I shall be. Tadiano. And I look to you're going to do. You're going to do the piano, so you say, yes, shall be. Tadiano. Again, more about
but lawyer, are you permissible under legal practice? Say, oh, close to case, I'll bet me a court. No one say I could be him. A bra and dance a dear fruby.
Good, and I did say there is a current case law. No, Musi, Judge should be very careful. Say, obey the case. No close. You may or see, or the case 1,000. Maybe I told to be my back up, and also there should be a compelling reason. Serious one. Meaning, Judge Bia, what you know, Obia, close the case over the other. Obi while you the case, I will show you now, too. I said, ball. Who will be ball? Oh, you have a ball now, I shall 2 days. You have a ball now, I can 5 minutes to time. What's a ball, no cano? You shoot 20 minutes. You shoot. If you have a question, what I say, or China. Let us say 2 days, I watch you know. That's what I was asking. It been that 2 years, it's your contour. It's your contour, the cost on yes, on penny. Game now, one ball, one or petitioners, no. Sorry, responded to baby. One now see it. One now see the man quay. Into one of my bar, one crona you with me. Into Binia, near judges na cano. Almost cano, almost can't send me few, Omutimu, almost the mra. Obia or copy of the judgment. They say, I am ready. Cocaine, no same nice. And I touch together. And can say, or person your review. And also within his right, uncle your review. But that is what I say. Our China no Chinese Yamano. You have a legal argument. Would you review the bank tema or China Crown Betnaso? Would the bank 18 from Sound Betnaso? Now, yeah, catch up 10 people of a soya. If you would, I'm more catch you when you are saying you know, what the bank school 100 times are, 100 times.
Because say many a lawyer Baba Jama Grakasai or say one more put in motion to stay of proceedings.
Thank you, Jama. I want me blame no so in Virginia. Baba Jama, Jama say, who can stop the Supreme Court? Who can stop them? When the Supreme Court is embarking on a constitutional duty. Election petition here, you know, under Article 64, a more with the power to hear. So who can stop them from hearing? And tell them, the more you file application, the more you'll be dismissed and dismissed. Now, I lucky say, any civil trial can one bono. Or somebody know, and can every dismissal be it's a cost against you. We wouldn't hear one person them that. Because see, when you continue to abuse the consequences,
but lawyers, what can say? Who can stop the Supreme Court? Does it mean say, and the Amram Mahukwine, say, won't bet me a and your woman legal rights, a woman named so won't bet me a no, and to say woman yana, a quantity you bet me.
Listen to me. The right to file So be what say who say almost right to file me what. And I say you should be exercising the right the Supreme Court to exercise the right to determine me what.
That's it.
Good. Into file many who can file the case. Not judge it no. How much shall be on my jail what that? How much shall several times? Oh, Konya, Tunya. Unjai. Shall proceedings now the first one on my one is there. On my order say, papers. Now the proceedings by another way. I'm not touching here. The main part on the say, the fact that we to miss over filing, I have filed within the confines of the law. Who can stop the Supreme Court from hearing? And as the Supreme Court is saying, hearing, they say, they don't know better. Now, with all the petition going out to the Supreme Court, moment just will be saying, upon Obi and Niku, not on transo. So it is a Supreme Court for the people who say, what is the state of proceedings are being implemented there? Yes, so you're Kodia home. Yes, so the member after 4 years, I guess adjourned to 4 years. Then I'm there. It is how. So now they proceed, stay of proceedings. What's the moment here? It's almost okay. The Mutia, I'm going to join the election petition to 2024. And that's what I can say. And if I don't know, Supreme Court will not be Juma. It means you have a public principle. I can say there should be an end to litigation. Meaning, we need to say that. I so happy. Yeah. What do I say? I don't know who you be na signal in ya. There is not open court. You see, even before who argue, you know, but it is not so say. Rana who argue na easy. Oh, because what is the brain? Tell you who because say there's judicial bar on you. If there is any signal to you, how long can you continue this way? What do I say? There will be one way. What do I say? We just have no way there. What can I say? No person may the public opinion. Court of public opinion. This is that I mean who is a statistical time in this city. They no court of public opinion. They are more dead. More fale. They enter man with their social media. They get that them. Let me support person. Na get some kasa tio. And then ya court no. So be a file paper. They am go to Facebook. They say be am go to social media. Say you be as more. If you are more social media than you a Supreme Court for back case. My dinner, my charging channel, and go see a gap. Near yet, your money Supreme Court judges. Almost all the man, social media, the fear, any Ajia, Obia will be Jojina, who MPP near the Nawa Kebi, who NDC near Nawaka, who will be our own president and someone who down them. I said that I can tell Moyano, Montamrebia. And one say, Obia can hear the debt, no review. Oh, they are there. I think they will move to become the freedom of speech. Oh, they are the back. And no stop the Supreme Court for applying the law of the land. And the law of the land have spoken. And they tells you that your case has been closed. They are ready to listen to your legal argument for judgment. Period.
One of the issues.
Needs FM.